Hey guys, this is Vin with Simply Sounds. I wanted to show you guys a drone submission that we received last week from a very talented droner, Philip. He submitted this shot from Serbia and we added some sounds to it. So I just wanted to show you the difference between a drone shot which is silent and then the same shot with sounds added from Genesis. Philip really is an impressive pilot. He's been pushing the boundaries of FPV recently, and overall just a smooth flyer. Okay, here's the same shot with sounds from the Genesis SoundPak. We've added Main Street, morning birds, schoolyard, truck driving, and a variation of whooshes. All sounds in this video can be found in our latest Genesis SoundPak.